this is the finished product, and look at how shiny they look. Okay, so they come like this, and then you get all your rhinestones. This one is black and white, so if you go into my into the link, you can find these ones right here. This is 6 of them, and they are very relaxing, and they come out really, really, really cute. So this is one of the sets, and it comes with everything, the rhinestones and everything you need. And then this is the other design. If you are into Yoda, this is it. Look at how cute this is. Okay. These have been one of my best sellers. The third one is the Flower of Lotus. If you look at the colors, they are so pretty, and look at the designs.